Ready to ditch the saving account and dive into the world of stock investing from the palm of your hand? Today, we're unlocking the secrets of investing in stocks with Revolut, making the stock market accessible to everyone first. Make sure you've downloaded the Revolut app and completed the sign up process once you're in. Tap the wealth icon. It usually looks like a pie chart at the bottom of your screen. Now, you'll see different investment options like stocks, crypto, and commodities. Let's focus on stocks. Tap on stocks to get started. You might be prompted to complete a short suitability assessment. This helps Revolut understand your risk tolerance and investment goals, ensuring you're making informed decisions. Time to find your future investments. Use the search bar to look for specific companies like Apple, Tesla, or your favorite brand. Once you find a stock you're interested in, tap on it to see its price chart, key statistics, and company information. Take some time to research and understand the company before investing. Ready to buy? Tap the buy button and enter the amount you want to invest. Remember, you can even buy fractional shares, meaning you don't need to buy a whole share. Review your order and then tap confirm. Congratulations, you're now a stock owner. You can track your investments in the portfolio section of the Wealth tab. Keep an eye on how your stocks are performing and consider diversifying your portfolio over time to manage risk. Revolut makes investing simple and accessible. But remember to do your research and invest responsibly. Happy investing!